telling your anger to your followers, your anger. Saan mo nakuha yung anger na yan? I mean, do you have the facts? Do you have the information? Do you have the documents? Mr. Chair?
Sir, nasa news po na uutang tayo this year and last year. Sir, sir, please, Mr. Chair, kaya ako nagalit kasi may nakita akong nakaakap na naka-brace tapos sir, I am not laying it on the congressman. I am laying it on the person who gave that person 5,000 despite na, sir, kasi taxpayer kami. Masakit, sir, na makikita namin na...
Ms. Quezon, may I ask you the question, how much taxes did you pay? And I will tell you how much tax I paid.
Sir...
Ang katwiran mo, you're a taxpayer. Bakit? Anong palagay mo sa akin, di taxpayer?
Sir, hindi naman po kayo yung sinasabihan ko ng Mr. Chair. It was the process of distributing the backup.
Tinatanong kita kung saan mo kinuha ito. Sa news mo lang pala kinuha eh. Wala kang document. You cannot even tell me if you're telling facts or truth.
Sir, nasa news ko kasi nung ang tayo.
My goodness, ibig mo sabihin, you're going to base your statement, tanga ang gobyerno, sa news na nabasa mo, Mr. Chair, and then you're telling me you're a journalist, and you're telling me that you're speaking the truth?
Mr. Chair, respectfully po, those are my feelings. Kasi binamigay natin yung pera sa
Therefore, if that's your feeling, Mr. Chair, I demand that you apologize to this committee.
I will apologize, Mr. Chair, for my bad words or for... I apologize for my bad words, sir.
Thank you.
I apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that. No? Siguro naman, makikita mo naman
Pero
ang
lesson learned sa akin lahat eh. Ako lalo sa akin.
Sasabihin mo mga tanga kami.
Yak.
Siguro, pinapalagay mo. Alam mo sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang pinapalagay ni Ms. Quezon, yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Ano pinapalagay mo? Hindi ang gobyerno. Yung audience mo, mga tanga, kaya papaniwalaan nila ang sinasabi mo sapagkat yung audience mo mismo hindi nakakaintindi. That is fake news, Mr. Chair, and that is what we're investigating right now. You see? I hope that you understand that, Mr. Chair. Ms. Quezon, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Ikaw, nandito sa akin yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa amin, ha? Hindi ako sumagot yan, eh. Hindi ko na kinakailangan pang i-belabor yan. So, anyway, Mr. Chair, anyway, nakita ko naman na Ms. Quezon is now apologetic to what she said. I'd like to continue on, and I would like to ask TikTok here.